The Roblox niche is absolutely dominating YouTube right now, and the numbers are honestly incredible. Just take a look at channels like this one. They've grown to over 1.7 million subscribers simply by uploading this style of Roblox animated content, and video after video keeps pulling in millions of views. The biggest reason? Roblox has one of the most loyal audiences on YouTube. Fans constantly watch, rewatch, and share Roblox content, making it one of the most evergreen niches you can jump into today. So instead of wasting any time, let me show you the exact process you can start using completely free. The first thing you need to do is open the description below and grab the master prompt I've already prepared for you. Copy the entire prompt, head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and press enter. Now ChatGPT will generate complete story with image and video prompts for every single scene in your story. And here's the part that makes this workflow almost endless. Whenever you want another story, simply type next, and ChatGPT instantly creates a completely fresh storyline with brand new scene prompts. That means you'll never run out of video ideas. Now copy the prompt for scene 1 and head over to Google Flow. Select the video option at the top. Choose OmniFlash as your model, paste in the prompt, and hit enter. After just a few seconds, your very first Roblox scene will be generated. Now comes the fun part. There are 2 simple ways to keep every scene connected while maintaining consistent characters and visuals. First, copy the Scene 2 prompt from ChatGPT. The first method is to open your generated video, click the 3 dots, and choose Add a Prompt. Then paste the Scene 2 prompt and generate again. Google Flow uses your previous scene as a reference, so everything stays visually consistent. The second method is to open your first video and save the final frame by clicking Save Frame. Next, drag and drop that saved frame as the first frame. Paste in your Scene 2 prompt, and Google Flow will continue the animation directly from that frame. This creates an incredibly smooth transition from one scene to the next. Use whichever method you prefer, then simply repeat the exact same process until every scene has been generated. I've created 4 scenes here, so you can see exactly how impressive the final results can look. Now let's watch the finished result together.
I love my best friend.
I want that dog.
Buddy, where are you?
You belong with me now. Now you're my pet. Buddy! Come back!
And that's the complete workflow. If you want more viral AI content ideas like this, subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next opportunity before everyone else catches on.